Hi there, it's Abby from class. I'm using Screencastify on my MacBook Pro to show you guys my corner of the internet. So I'm going to start out with my favorite radio station. I'm from Austin, Texas, and I desperately miss home. So to stay closer to home, I listen to KUTX 98.9, which is an independent radio station out of Austin. And this is my favorite part of the radio station is their song of the day, which is it's kind of a free song for every day, and you can pick to choose and download that song, and then you have free music, which is really cool. It's also not owned by Clear Channel, so you're not pigeonholed into a genre, and they play everything. So if you're really interested in expanding your music horizons, I would check out KUTX 98.9. Obviously, music is my passion. That is why I picked this one out. So next, we're going to go into my inspiration. If you haven't read any of my Instagram, or if you haven't read any of my posts, or don't know, I'm a very amateur baker, but especially compared to this Instagram account, which is Loco Kitchen. And she just makes the most beautiful geometric pies and tarts. Her food combinations are just incredible and keep me inspired as a baker to make beautiful and delicious food. So the next thing we're going to go to is a surprise. This is another one of my favorite websites. It's called The Pudding. Sorry, I was looking through it already. So it's kind of a visualization of essays and debated cultural things. It's engineered really amazingly. Obviously, as you can see, if you put over here, it like slowly scrolls you through the essay. They really just have everything on this website. All of the articles that they have are just really well thought out and researched and then made visually beautiful. Definitely check this out if you're interested in debated culture topics or just want to read something really cool that makes you interact with it. Now, the last thing we're going to do is an oddity. I lived in East Africa for almost 3 years, and something I listen to a lot is Swahili gospel music when I'm studying and I'm not listening to KUTX. It's something I used to watch these videos a lot when I was there for lack of better TV, and they've just kind of embedded themselves in their life and in my life, and remind me of a different time in a different place in the world. So, as not a particularly religious person, but a spiritual person, I find them really interesting from a cultural sense and also just from a, I guess, nostalgic sense. So, yeah, that's my strange corner of the internet. Hope you guys learned something. Excited to see what everyone else does. Thanks. Bye.